Hey guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we're gonna see how to change site title and tagline in WordPress. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So as you can see over here, when you create your WordPress site, your default site name and tagline would be like WordPress, and your tagline would be another WordPress site. So it seems to be something uninteresting, or it is not professional. So in order to change your site name or tagline, what to do we'll discuss in this video. So firstly, when you how can you open this editing page? I'll just show you from first step. So firstly, in order to get your own site or in the WordPress and to get the hosting services, I personally recommend you guys to go with hostinger.in, which provides you 70% offer on web hosting holy sale, and it gives you all for affordable prices. So you can see over here it provides you free domain as well with free SSL included in it. So here you can just have an overview of this hostinger.in plans. So here it is first plan is single web hosting. It is ideally for beginners, so it is 59 per month. In this you would get one website and 30 GB SSD storage and 10,000 visits monthly, and all the benefits of this plan are given over here. You can have a review of this. And then the next comes the most popular plan, that is premium web hosting. So it gives you access up to 100 website and 100 GB SSD storage and 25,000 visits monthly, free email, free SSL, free domain, unlimited bandwidth, managed WordPress and WordPress acceleration, and many more benefits with this popular plan. So I recommend you guys to go with this premium web hosting for your business websites or any other websites which you are planning to host for. And this is the business web hosting, and it too have its own benefits. You can check all the benefits over here, and you can go with your relevant plan in the hostinger.in. So firstly, have to get this hosting service. So if you are willing to go with this popular plan, that is premium web hosting, click on add to cart. And you can see over here, you're almost there. You can check this pricing, and you can click your domain name relevant to your theme and all, relevant to your website content and all. I'll just give some random things over here just to get the availability. So it will check the availability of your domain name. Okay, let's check my domain name. So you can see it over here. So it have some suggestions that dot online or dot com or dot xyz dot live. So I would like to go with dot com. So let's add it to the cart. Continue to cart, and now we are almost done. So here you can check your order summary, and you can click on checkout now. Then sign up with your name, email ID and password, and then you can proceed with your payment, and then you are all done with the hosting a registration of domain and all. So now once you are done with the payment and all, you can log in into your hostinger account by clicking the login button, which is over here. So click on the login button, enter your details, and then you would be redirected to this dashboard. Here just click on your hosting, go to your hosting services column section, and click on the manage. then scroll down and then go with the auto installer. And if you want to know how to install WordPress, you can go back to the previous videos on this PC Tips Pro channel. You would find it out. And then I'll just go with this website, this my site, and I'll just click on manage and click on edit website. So here you can customize your WordPress website. So you would be redirected to the WordPress cPanel. Then here you would see customize your site. Click on customize your site, and then you would be redirected to here. So here you can see over here that your site title and tagline are given to be WordPress, and tagline is given to be another WordPress site. So if you want to see if you want to change this site title, just click on this and then give your site title. I want to give it as PC Tips Pro, and my tagline would be something like this. So our website is all about this website development and web hosting services. So I'd give this tagline, and let me click on this publish. So here you can see that the site title and tagline are changed to the PC Tips Pro website development and web hosting services. So now if you want to add your logo to this position, you can just uncheck this display site title and display site tagline. Now go to this select logo, and here you can drop your files or you can upload your logo here by clicking on select files from your device, like your PC or your device. So you can select your logo, you can drop it over here, and then you can see it appearing over here. And also you can change your site icon is something which will be seen over here. So you can, even though you can you can just select your files and you can get this site icon over here, so it would look something like this. So this is my logo which I have added for this PC Tips Pro. So this logo gives you more professionalism to your website rather than your text or site taglines. And even you can add your site icon to your website. So now let's have a quick recap of all the things. So firstly we'll just go for the editing website option, and then we would be redirected to this WordPress cPanel. Now scroll down and click on customize your site. Now go to the header and then site identity, and here you can add your logos or you can give your site titles, taglines, and even you can add your site icon. So this is all for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, guys.